Today's topic is external JavaScript. In external JavaScript, the JavaScript code is not present in the HTML page. It is present outside the HTML page. So we need to use source attribute and to attach where we can give the path and the file name. In this way, we can link or attach JavaScript file to this HTML page. Generally, external JavaScript file is useful than internal JavaScript. If there are many web pages and if they need same JavaScript code, so instead of writing same code in each web page, it is useful to write the JavaScript code in separate file and link that file to all the web pages. Because when there is requirement of maintenance at that time, only at one place or in that JavaScript file we need to make changes. In this way the maintenance becomes very easy. Let's see how we can use external JavaScript. For external JavaScript we need one external source file or external JavaScript file or external JS file. So here we add one JS file. Here we have taken grid.js and here we give one alert box also. Here we have given one sentence and here we have given one alert box. This is the grid.js JavaScript file. Here the file is in the same project, so we get the file easily. But if the JavaScript file or JS file is present in another folder, at that time we have to mention here the path of that folder. If we see in browser, we get alert message, have a nice day, then I am external JavaScript example. We can give this script tag in head section or also in body section. Now we make some changes here. And here we give have a nice week. If we see have a nice week, I am external JavaScript example in body section. So that's all for external JavaScript. Thanks for watching.